You can access the spark plug behind the left tank shroud, as indicated in the manual, but removing the tank provides ample room to use a ratchet, have direct lighting, and easily remove the plug cap. Start with the seat bolts and seat, then the bolt and washer holding on the fuel tank. If the fuel hose is stuck, gently twist to break loose. Each tank shroud has 3 Allen bolts. To reach these 2 bolts, it helps to shift the forks around. Remove both tank shrouds, take the left side panel off, then pull the fuel tank up and out. Use compressed air to clear away dirt and dust, then pull out on the spark plug cap to disconnect. One more round of air, and a brief check for cracks or damage. The spark plug sits within a tight space, so we'll be using this thin-walled 18mm socket by Motion Pro. To uninstall the spark plug, move the cap out of the way and navigate the socket. Rotate to align, then press down firmly to fully seat the rubber grip and socket. Attach a 3/8 inch ratchet and slowly loosen. Once the spark plug is free, bring it out. An image of the area after removal. The plug can be difficult to separate from the rubber grip. Here is the original plug. It is being replaced with the Iridium plug shown on the right side, which came pre-gapped. Note that care must be taken when adjusting an Iridium plug due to the delicate electrode. On the new plug, remove the terminal nut, then load the spark plug into the socket. Carefully feel for the threads and make sure to go straight in. If you feel any resistance, back out and try again. It should be easy to thread by hand. Follow up with a torque wrench at 13 pound-foot or 17 Newton-meter. If the socket is difficult to remove due to the rubber grip, a screwdriver can be used to assist the process. Use a Q-tip to lightly coat the inside of the spark plug cap with dielectric grease, and press down onto the spark plug cap until it connects with the spark plug. Reinstall the fuel tank, the washer and bolt, both tank shrouds, the seat and side cover, and finally the seat bolts. Thank you for watching and enjoy the ride.